ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय काण्व शाखीय बृहदारण्यकोपनिषद पेज नंबर 713. Arthabhaga is questioning about graha, atigraha. So there is Ekadeshi discussion whether these questions are valid. Kati prashna is there, kati graha, kati atigraha, and then katamete, what are they? In Tika, first line, वाग्वै यज्ञस्य होता इत्यादा विति यावत्. वाग्वै यज्ञस्य होता, this was said earlier. So in this way it was known that there are 4 grahas and 4 atigrahas. Vak, chakshuhu, prana, manansi. So then why this question? Nirgnatatvat visheshasya iti shesha. Visheshasya nirgnatatvat. That they are there, and then it is vak, it is chakshuhu, prana, mana. This is all known. Ati mokshati deshena त्वगादेरपि सूचितत्वात् तेषु चतुष्टस्य अनिर्धारणात् अविशेषेण प्रतिपन्नेषु वागादिषु विशेष बुभुत्सायां संख्यादि विषयत्वेन प्रश्नस्य उपपन्नार्थत्वान् न आक्षेपोपपत्तिरिति समाधत्ते. अतिमोक्ष अतिदेशेन त्वगादेः अपि सूचितत्वात्. अतिमोक्ष atidesha. So Tvak has atimoksha, atidesha. This is said in 316. This we already saw. Did we already see 316?
No.
Yes? Yes or no?
Yes, Swamiji.
Yes. Ashwala Brahmana. Suchitatvat. Teshu chatushtvasya anirdharanat. So of them, that these are the 4, that nirdharanam was not done. Avisheshena pratipanneshu vagadishu. Vagadishu were given, but are they only 4? So this is the Vishesha Bubhutsa. Vishesha Bubhutsayam Sankhyaadi Vishayattvena Prashnasya Upapannarthatvat Na Akshepa Upapatti. Siddhanti is saying Akshepa should not be there. Question is valid. Why? Because even if it is mentioned as Graha, Vag is Graha. Vag is also mentioned as Atimoksha, Atidesha. Atimoksha, Atideshana, Tvagadehe api Suchitatva. So the same thing is mentioned in different ways. How do we know whether actually Graha, Shabda is only for Vag, etc.? And are there only 4? That Sankhyaadi Vishatva is also not confirmed, because the answer is 8. So only 4 are given here. And therefore, na akshepa upapattihi. Your objection is invalid. Iti samadhatte. Samadhatte. What is the Rupa? Online students. Samadhati, what is the Rupa?
Sấm ấn Upasarga to Thai Lakala Prathama Purusha Ekavatanam.
Not Lakara Prathama Purusha Ekavatanam. Dhatte. Dhatte. Dadhate. Dadate or dadhate. Dadhate. What is graha? Let us understand this word a little. Graha means that which will hold on to. Once it holds on to you, it will dictate how you should function. That is called graha. Like they say, these navagrahas, they are called graha. So if graha has its impact, you cannot escape from it. That's why it is called graha. Similarly, bhuta, pishacha, etc., they are also called graha. Because once they do grahanam, once they grab you, then they will decide how you will function. You don't have freedom. That's why it is called bandhana, from which you need moksha. Mukti, mukti, ati mukti, these shabdas are used in this context. Once we understand the shabda graha. So graha as in grahas, navagrahas, graha as in bhuta, pishacha, etc. And that's why when grahanam takes place, there is some planetary movement. Some grahas have changed or will change. And their impact is there on some people more, some people less. Grahan time, the behavior, that's why they say at that time, don't do anything, close the temple, etc. Go, do japa, do shuddhi, then come, clean everything. The objective is this. This is the grahana aspect. And like other, if somebody does black magic, etc., all of that is covered in the grahana part. Grahana as in graha. But here, it is Adhyatma Shastra. So here the graha is Vishaya. So our Shatru is this Vishaya and Vishaya Prati Raga Dvesha. That is my graha. Once that grabs me, I don't have freedom to think. I don't have freedom to act. That is my graha. Here, Indriya is taken as graha, Vishaya is taken as atigraha. So, because raga dveshas are in Indriya. Indriyasyendriyasyarthe raga dveshau vyavasthitau. So, raga dveshas are in Indriya. So, Indriya is another graha. And then, that Vishaya, because of my raga dvesha, Vishaya is called atigraha. Because that Vishaya will rule over Indriya also. So the Sukshma Chintana and Sukshma Sadhana is to take care of this Graha Atigraha. Okay. See Bhashya now. Na anavadharanarthatvat. Your question is not valid. Your question in the form of the objection is not valid. Why? Anavadharanarthatvat. Because there was no avadharanam of the Vak, Chakshu, Pran, Manas, that only they are the ones which are Graha Atigraha. Tadeva spashtayati. Nahi chatushvam tatra vivakshitam. इह तु ग्रहातिग्रह दर्शने अष्टत्व गुण विवक्षया. There it was not said only 4 are there, and here it is said there are 8. So we don't know how many are there, and therefore kati iti prashna upapadyate eva. How many? This question is justified. Tatra means purva brahmane vagadishu iti yavat. In the purva brahmana, ashwala brahmana. Phalitam prathama prashnopapattim kathayati. Ihatu grahatigraha darshane. ननु ग्रहाणाम एव पूर्वत्र उपदेश अतिदेशाभ्याम प्रतिपन्नत्वात् तेषु विशेष बुभुत्सायां कतिग्रह इति प्रश्ने अपि अतिग्रहाणाम अप्रतिपन्नत्वात् कथम कति अतिग्रह इति प्रश्नः स्यात्. अतः ग्रहाणाम एव पूर्वत्र उपदेश अतिदेशाभ्याम. Earlier Purvatra Upadesha Atidesha. Whatever was said, from that you can do Atidesha. Atidesha means extend that rule or niyama further. See the 20 number tippani. Chakshuradi Chatushtasya Upadesha. Tvagadi Chatushtasya Atidesha. 4 are given. 4 you extend. This way you can figure out. प्रतिपन्नता तेषु विशेष बुभुत्सायां कतिग्रह इति प्रश्ने अपि अतिग्रहाणाम् अप्रतिपन्नत्वात् कथम कति अतिग्रह इति प्रश्नः. So in graha it can happen. कतिग्रह इति प्रश्न, चलो that question is justified विशेष बुभुत्सायिके. अतिग्रहाणाम् अप्रतिपन्नत्वात् कथम कति अतिग्रह इति प्रश्न स्यात्. Why this question would be there? Atigraha topic, apratipanna, it is not there. Tasmat sa mukti sa atimukti riti mukti atimukti dvirukte graha atigraha api siddha. Atigraha, how did this question come? He says, if mukti atimukti are there, corresponding graha atigraha means corresponding bandhana and atibandhana both will be there, then only mukti atimukti will be there. Iti prashna syat purvasmat brahmana ditiyavat. So Siddhanta is justifying that both questions are there, both are valid. This kind of questions can come. अतः in भाष्य कति संख्या का सम अनुस्वार is, if it is not there then you make it. कति संख्या का ग्रहा कति वा अतिग्रह इति पृच्छति. That's why this question is there. इतर आह अष्टौ ग्रह अष्टावतिग्रह इति. इतर कः Yajnavalkya. Yajnavalkya gave the answer 8 grahas, 8 atigrahas. टीका वागादयो वक्तव्यादयश्च चत्वारो ग्रहाश्च अतिग्रहाश्च यद्यपि विशेषतो निर्ज्ञातास् तथापि अतिदेश प्राप्ता चत्वारो विशेषतो न ज्ञायते तेन तेषु विशेषतो ज्ञान सिद्धये प्रश्न इति अभिप्रेत्य विष्णष्टि. So 4 graha atigrahas were known. The Vak, Chakshu ityadi. But the other 4 were not known. Their Vishesha Jnanam was not there. And therefore, this prashna is for that Jnana Siddhi. Yete Ashtau Graha Abhihitaha Katame te Niyamena Grahitavya iti. Niyamena means Niyamit Rupena they are Graha Atigraha. Niyamena 13 number Nishchita Swarupatvena. They should be known. With this first mantra is complete. द्वितीय प्रश्ने परिहारम उत्थापयति. तत्र आह प्राणो वै ग्रहः सोपानेन अतिग्राहेण गृहीतोपानेन हि गन्धान् जिघ्रति. So now Dvitiya Prashna is what? Katamete. What are those? So he starts with prana. Prana here means grana. See in Tika. So this mantra says prano vai graha. Prana is the graha. Prana means granendriya saha prana. Prana means vayu. So granendriya vayu sahit granendriya is called graha. And what is its atigraha? So apanena atigrahena grihita. Atigrahena is chandasa prayoga. Atigraha is the correct shabda. Apana is atigraha. Means its vishaya. So here gandha's vishaya is apana. Apanena hi gandhan jigrati. So let me clarify something. Everybody pay attention here. There is confusion sometimes about prana apana. The vayu which goes in is prana or apana?
Apana.
Apana.
Apana. What goes in is called apana because it is going down. So apana is going down. What is the sthanam of prana? Okay, what is the sthanam of apana? Apana vayu sthanam is what? Gudendriya.
Kudala.
Gudendriya is where apana sthana is there. So you wonder, it goes through nose and its sthanam is Guda. And what is the sthanam of prana? Nasika. Prana is here. Above Hridaya, so prana is here. Guda is the sthanam for apana. Nabhi is sthanam for what?
Jnana.
Vyana and Samana. Both of them are present in the body. Samana is everywhere in the entire body. So this part, what I am trying to point out is there are two things. One is sthanam and another is its act. So prana sthanam can be nasika and the vayu which goes out is called prana. So we think what comes in is prana and what goes out is apana. What goes down is apana. What comes up is prana. So if it is said hridayat up, then you say from here it is up, prana. But this location, I think it will be given in Sarva Vedanta Siddhanta. Which loka is this? Hridi prano samana is in nabhi. Huh? Udana is in kantha. Okay, so prana is in hridi. But you have to understand prana means from here what goes out through nasika. Sometimes nasika is also pointed out as the sthanam for prana, like two extremes. Guda is the other extreme for apana, nasika is the other extreme for prana, like that. Virodhi. So here what is given now, see. अपानेन अतिग्राहेण गृहीतः अपानेन ही गंधान जिग्रति. So by apana is the vayu which goes in, gandhan jigrati, he takes the gandha in. Prana, in Sarva Vedanta Siddhanta, there should be this mention of Pancha Vayu, Pancha Prana, and some table should be there. Anyway, pay attention here now. See, टीका. प्राण शब्दस्य घ्राण विषयत्वे पूर्वोत्तर ग्रंथयोर वागादीनां प्रकृतत्वं हेतुम् आह. Prana Shabda is given in by the mantra, and you are saying it is Grana. Prana Shabdasya Grana Vishayatve Purva Uttar Granthayoho, Purva Grantha Uttar Granthayoho Vagadinam Prakritatvam is the Hetu. Why did you take Prana as Grana? Because he says we have to take Indriya, because later is all Indriyas, Vagadi. So then Prana is not Indriya, Grana is the Indriya. You will see in Kenopanishad, Shrotrasya Shrotram, Manaso Manoyat, Vachoha Vacham, Sau, Pranasya Pranaha. There you see in the Bhashya it is Granasya Granaha. Here also it is taken that way. Earlier also I thought we in first chapter Prana was taken as Grana. Prakaranat. Tasya Gandhena Grahitatva Siddhyartham Vishinashti. So that is, it comes along with Gandha. Gandhena Grahitatva Siddhyartham. Vayu Sahitaha Saha. But you cannot leave Vayu. Why you cannot leave Vayu? Because Prana Shabda includes Vayu. Prana is Vayu. Therefore, you have to take Ajahal Lakshana. Prana means Vayu also you have to take, and Grana you have to add. So it is Vayu Sahita Gandha. Vayu Sahita Grana. Prana means Vayu Sahita Grana. Vayu Sahita Saha, Sahakaha Grana. अपान शब्दस्य गंध विषयत्वे गंधस्य अपानेन अविनाभावं हेतुम् आह. अपान शब्दस्य गंध विषयत्वे, अपान शब्द is taken as has gandha as its vishaya. Gandhasya apanena avinabhavam. Avinabhav means na vina iti avina. See tippani, important tippani. Nitya sambandhatvam ityartha. Avinabhav means nitya sambandhatvam. Nitya sahachara. Dhuma and Vanni, they have what bhava? Avinabhava. Nitya sambandhatvam. Mitho baddhatvam. Paraspar, they are bound to each other. Apana sachivatvat apano gandha uchyate. Apana sachiva. Sachiva means sahakari. Sachiva means ministers or secretary. They are sahakari. They will help you. So apana sachivatvat, apana is called gandha. In gandha, apana vayu is there. When you do gandha grahanam, through granendriya vishaya is actually only gandha. If you say it is granendriya, gandha is the vishaya. But gandha will not come by itself. It will come along with apana, where you do vayu grahanam. Tatraiva hetvantaram aha. Another hetu is apana upahritam hi gandham granena sarva loko jigrati. Apana upahritam gandham. Gandha will ride on apana vayu. Granena sarvo loko jigrati. So घ्राणेन्द्रियेण सर्वो लोको जिग्रति. अपश्वासो अत्र अपान शब्दार्थः. अपान मीन्स अपश्वासः. अपश्वासः अंतर्मुख श्वासः. 12 नंबर टिप्पणी. Vayu going in and downward is called apana. Ukte arthe vakyam patayati. In this, there is a vakyam tadetad uchyate apanena hi gandhan jigrati iti. This is a quotation from here. Apanena gandhan jigrati. So one graha, one atigraha are over. How many more are there? 7 grahas and 7 atigrahas. Now Bhagavan Bhashyakar is going to write one tika, one bhashya on all of them. Vag Vaigraha sa namna atigrahena grihito vacha hi namani abhivadati. Vag is the graha, nama is atigraha. Because Vag will do vacha hi namani abhivadati. Vag will utter the words, names. That is its vishaya. Jihva vaigraha sarasena atigrahena grihito jihvaya hi rasan vijanati. Jihva is graha. Sarasena atigrahena grihita. By jihva, rasan vijanati. He knows rasa. In all these, atigraha is the mula shabda. Atigraha is chandasa prayoga. Chakshurvaigraha sarupena atigrahena grihita. Chakshusha hi rupani pashyati. See, grihita. That graha is grihita by atigraha. Chakshuhu is graha. Rupena atigrahena grihita. Grihita means possessed. Chakshurindriya is possessed by rupa. You see rupa somewhere, immediately Chakshurindriya will run there. Chakshurindriya to stop from there, you have to put forth effort. Chakshushahi rupani pashyati. Shrotram vaigraha sashabdena atigrahena grihitaha shrotrena hi shabdan shrunoti. Shrotra is graha, shabda is atigraha. Shrotram shabdena grihitaha. Shrotra indriya is possessed by the shabda. Shrotrena hi shabdan shrunoti. By Shrotra indriya, he hears shabdas. Mano vaigraha sakamena atigrahena grihito manasa hi kaman kamayate. Mana is graha. Kamena atigrahena grihita. Manasa hi kaman kamayate. By manaha, he will do kamana chintanam of some vishaya, sankalpas. Hasto vaigraha sakarmana atigrahena grihito hastabhyam hi karma karoti. So, see here, hasta is graha. Hasta is possessed by karma. Means karma will tell what you should do now. Hastabhyam karma karoti. Means hasta vishaya is the possessor. Sorry, karma is the possessor. Hasta is the possessed. Main thing is manaha that we should pay attention. Mana is possessed by kamana, which is raga dvesha. Tvag vaigraha sasparshena atigrahena grihitas vacha hi sparshan vedayata iti ete ashtau graha ashtavatigraha. Tvag is graha. Sparshena atigrahena grihita. Sparsha is possessed by sparsha. Vacha hi sparshan vedayate. Vacha hi sparshan vedayate. By the skin, he knows the sparshas. These are the 8 grahas and atigrahas. भाष्य वाग वै ग्रहः. वाग is the graha. Vacho grahatvam upapadayati. So whatever indriya is not mentioned, we should understand. They are also graha and their vishayas are atigraha. Vacho grahatvam upapadayati. How vacha is graha? He says vacha hi adhyatma parichinnaya asanga vishaya aspadaya असत्य अनृत असभ्य बीभत्सादि वचनेषु व्यापृतया गृहीत. What are the vishayas? Adhyatma parichinnaya asanga vishaya aspadaya. Asanga means so much attachment is there. Because of that, asatya, anrita, asabhya and bibhatsadi vachana. All kind of words are used. In Hindi, they have given all different meanings. Asatya means parapida dayaka. Anrita means false. Parapida means it pains others. That is asatya. Asabhya means inappropriate in assembly of people. And bibhatsa means grina utpadaka, means ninda kari vachana. They are all given in Tippani also. Vachaneshu vyapritaya grihito loko apahritaha. Loka is apahrita. People are kidnapped or carried away or possessed by them. Therefore, vag is graha. Tena vagraha. Sa namna atigrahena grihita. And it is grihita by नाम नामना अतिग्रहण गृही. सवागाख्यो ग्रहो नामना वक्तव्येन विषयेण अतिग्रहेण इति दैर्घ्यम छांदसम. So Vagakhya is graha. It is atigraha, there is nama. Dairghya is छांदसम. टीका. आसंगस्य विषयः शब्दादिहि एव आस्पदम यस्याः वाचस्तया इति विग्रह. आसंगस्य विषयः शब्दादिहि एव आस्पदम. आस्पदम विषयः. शब्दादि इति विषय. यस्याः वाचः तया. शब्दादि means nama. What is given as nama is given here as shabda. Tat siddhyartham adhyatma parichinnaya iti visheshanam. Adhyatma parichinnaya, not any other vacha. Adhyatma parichinnaya vacha iti visheshanam. Asatyam parapidakaram मिथ्यावचनम. असत्यम परपीडाकरम मिथ्यावचनम तदेव स्वदृष्ट मात्र विरोधी. अनृतम विपरीतम वा. असत्यम मीन्स परपीडाकरम and Anritam is mithyavachanam. Swadrishta matra virodhi. Whatever I have seen, opposite of that I will say. Or whatever I don't know, but I say, yes, yes, I know it is like this. There also, there is no pramanam. Adipadena ashta ishta anishta uppigraha vachi prakritayam sa namna iti katham uchyate. Adi means Satya, Anrita, Sabhya, Bibhatsa, Adi Vachaneshu. Adi you have to take as Ishta, Anishta, all of that. Uppigraha. Vachi Prakritayam sa namna iti. Vach is the Prakarana. Sa namna katham uchyate tatraha. So why you say it is namna? Because the mantra नामना अतिग्राहेण गृहीतः. So namna atigrahena katham. Why do you say that? Because in Bhashya, saha namna atigrahena grihitaha. That is saha vagakhyo graha namna vaktavyena vishayena atigrahena grihita. Is possessed by this. Vaktavyena vacho vashikritatvam sadhayati. Vaktavyena. So what is to be said is vaktavya. Vaktavyena vacho vashikritatvam. Vak is I have to say. Sometimes people have this. I have to say the last thing. Somebody says something. That person has to say something back. Then you say something. Again that person will say. Not that, okay, I understood, over. No. Vaktavya only. Namna vaktavyena. So by that shows vacho vashikritatvam. Vaktavyena vacho vashikritatvam sadhayati. Vaktavyena. Tavyat pratyaya is showing that no, I have to do this. That's why you are grahita. Vijanan vidwan bhavate natibhati. So atibhada is not there. वक्तव्यार्था ही वाक् तेन वक्तव्येन अर्थेन तादर्थ्येन प्रयुक्ता वाक् तेन वशीकृता तेन तत्कार्यम अकृत्वा नैव तस्या मोक्षः. See, what is this वक्तव्येन अर्थेन? वक्तव्य अर्थ ही वाक्. वाक् is there for वक्तव्य अर्थ. विषय is there. Vaktavyena arthena tadarthyena, whatever you have to say by that, prayukta vak tena vashikrita. Vak is as if possessed. Tena tat karyam akrutva, without doing that karya, naiva tasyaha moksha. It doesn't feel I am done. Ato namna atigrahena grihita vak iti uchyate. Atigraha is there. टीका तादर्थ्येन वचनकरणत्वेन इति यावत्. वक्तव्य अर्थ मीन्स तादर्थ्येन वचनकरणत्वेन. वचनार्थम वाचो वक्तव्येन वशीकृतत्वे फलितम आह. सो फॉर वचन वाचो वक्तव्यत्वेन वक्तव्येन वशीकृतत्व. वाच इज वशीकृत. तत्कार्यम वचनम मोक्षश्च असाधारणे देवतात्मनि पर्यवसानम. तत्कार्यम वचनम एंड मोक्षश्च असाधारणे देवतात्मनि पर्यवसानम. असाधारण मीन्स 4 नंबर टिप्पणी. अध्यात्म परिच्छेद परित्याग पुरस्सरम स्वीय अज्ञात्मक अधिदैव स्वरूपे तादात्म्यम इत्यर्थः. वाक् इंद्रिय देवता इज अग्नि. So Agni Ajnatmaka Adhidaiva Swarupe Tadatmyam. That is its Paryavasanam. Devatatmani Paryavasanam. When it becomes that, then there is no Graha Atigraha. अतो नामना अतिग्राहेण गृहीता वाक् इति उच्यते. One more line is there in टीका. वक्तव्यार्थोक्तिम विना वाचो अपर्यवसाने सिद्धम अर्थमान. वक्तव्यार्थ उक्तिम विना वाचः अपर्यवसाने. If वाच पर्यवसानम has not happened in the devata, which is the adhideva, then it is grahita. Namna atigrahena grahita. So at that time, if I remain in maunam, that means it has gone back to its devata. Or even if you do just devata smaranam, then shabda vyavahara and all will cease. When it doesn't happen, that means it is grahita by that shabda, Vagindriya. So imagine Vagindriya hai, like here in the middle. It has two options. Either go to Devata or go to Vishaya. All Indriyas have two options. Go to Devata or go to Vishaya. It goes to Devata, it has withdrawn from the Vishaya. Further, if you say all these Devatas, their Devata is Atma. So then all Indriyas, finally they go back to Atma. So that is what do we do in Nididhyasanam or Samadhi? All Indriyas are withdrawn from Vishaya. Then mind is also withdrawn. Intellect is also withdrawn. Everything is doing Atma Chintana. This is Avrita Chakshu. वाचो अतिग्रह गृहीतत्वम अनुभवेन साधयति. वाचो अतिग्रहीतत्वम, अतिग्रह गृहीतत्वम. Vacha is possessed by the atigraha, anubhavena sadhayati. It shows through anubhava. वक्तव्य आसंगेन ही प्रवृत्ता सर्व अनर्थैः युज्यते. वक्तव्य आसंग, that I have to speak by this asangena pravritta vak, sarvanarthaihi yujyate. All anartha, it is possessed by that. Okay, we'll keep up to here. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shantihi Shantihi Shantihi. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेद विभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. ओम शांति शांति शांति.